So my group was going to go on a holiday parade, and I was excited to go, but I wanted to put on a jet engine on the back of my bike from the movie Elf. And this is where I wanted to put it, right here. So I went online to see if I could find something like on Thingiverse, and really couldn't find any very much. Here's what I really want. Specs from the Kringle 3000 and make my own. And so here I am making a version after tracing the model and putting a sort of cavity in the center so I can put my electronics in for my lights, my LED lights that will go here, and just trying to make it easier to print by putting a couple of fan blades in there. Pow! And so I split it up and put it on my 3D printer and got it ready to go. It was 16 inches long. It had enough space for 4 AA batteries, an Arduino Nano, 12 resistors on a circuit board, and 12 5mm LED lights and associated wiring. So here it is printing. And so this is the wiring harness, and I was able to stuff it all down in there with a switch. Alright, so this is my Kringle 350, which is a 3D printed engine with LEDs in the back. I used an Arduino pattern and put it on my bike, and I dressed up as Elf with my elf bike. Thanks for watching.